Lubos pong nakakaalarma ang sunod-sunod na insidente ng karahasan sa mga eskwelahan. Kailangan po na magkaroon ng comprehensive at holistic na solusyon sa issue na ito. Lalong-lalo na at nakikita natin kung gaano kadali para sa mga bata ang magkaroon ng access sa baril at iba pang deadly weapons. Mr. President, nagpapasalamat po tayo sa ating sponsor, Senator Bam Aquino, para sa agarang pagtugon niya sa lumalalang sitwasyon sa ating mga paaralan. The Comprehensive School Safety Act addresses every concern that has been raised by our stakeholders, including relevant agencies, school personnel and administrators, and especially the parents of our children. We are equally grateful to Senator Bam for his inclusion and consideration of these representations, two bills which address the two distinct facets of school safety. One, the mental health and well-being of our learners, and two, the safety infrastructure and proactive security protective measures. Mr. President, as reflected in the bill I filed, which is Senate Bill 2321, or the Learning Institutions Guaranteed Threat Avoidance and Safety, or Ligtas Act, and consequently, in the committee report, there will be increased presence of police and emergency response teams with or around school premises to support security inspections, threat assessment, and safety operations. This bill will also mandate the installation of safety-related facilities such as CCTVs and metal detectors. It is also a welcome development, Mr. President, that the committee report took into consideration another bill which I filed, Senate Bill number 2133, or the Student Guidance Counseling Act, emphasizing the need for professional interventions by mental health experts to manage the worsening mental health-related crisis among the youth, addressing the problem at its roots before it turns into a large-scale issue. Mr. President, the Comprehensive School Safety Act provides a comprehensive, whole-of-society and all-hazards framework for school safety, covering prevention, response, recovery, and protecting the physical, mental, and psychosocial health and digital safety of learners and school personnel. I highly support the enactment of this bill, Mr. President, and I implore our colleagues to do the same, as the school environment has recently proven to be a precarious place for our children as well as for teachers and school personnel. Bukod po sa kanilang teaching load, nakasalalay rin po sa ating teachers at school staff ang seguridad ng mga estudyante tuwing mayroong insidente tulad ng nangyari sa Tacloban at Zamboanga kung saan school personnel ang ilan sa naging biktima. Mahalaga rin po na bigyan sila ng karagdagang suporta at proteksyon. At bilang mga mambabatas at mga magulang, responsibilidad natin na siguraduhin ang mga bata ay malaya at ligtas na makakapag-aral at makakauwi sa kanilang bahay. Walang bata ang dapat matakot pumasok sa paaralan at walang magulang ang dapat mangamba kung makakauwi pa ang kanilang mga anak. Hindi po natin dapat hayaan na maging normal o lumala pa ang kultura ng karahasan sa loob ng nagsisilbing pangalawang tahanan ng mga musmus na bata. Maraming salamat po, Mr. President.